Today we are going to learn about the areas of different geometric figures. If we look at this green square here and we want to know the area of this square, actually we're asking how much surface does this green bit cover. And for the rectangle here, we're asking how much surface does this brown bit cover. So we're actually asking if we cut our square and rectangle into unit squares, in other words, into squares that all have a side length of 1, how many of these unit squares cover that green area? Well, the answer to that we can see quite easily. There are 1, 2, 3 squares across and 3 down. So in total, there are 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9 squares. So the area of this is 9 square units. Similarly, looking here, how many unit squares cover the brown area? Well, there are 6 of them across and 3 rows down. So in total, there are 6 times 3, which is 18 of them. We can now generalize this idea. So if, for example, we say, let's just take this as a square which has a side length of x, then the area of the square is going to be x across and x down. In other words, the area of the square is just going to be x squared. And for the rectangle, if we say, in general, we have a length of L and a breadth of B, what will be the area? It would just be length times breadth, or L times B. Last, we look at the area of a circle. The area of a circle is given by the formula pi r square. Say we have a circle with a radius of 3. Remember, the radius is from the center of the circle out to the edge of the circle, so the radius is 3. Our area is going to be pi times 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9, so it's pi times 9. This is going to be approximately 28.27 rounded off to 2 decimal points. Here we can use pi is equal to 3.14 as an approximation. To make it a little more complicated, sometimes instead of giving you the radius, we can tell you the value of the diameter of the circle. For example, if we say the diameter of a circle is equal to 6 centimeters, then in this case, we have to go all the way across the circle through the center. So this whole thing here is 6 centimeters. What you need to get is the radius, and the radius is always just half of the diameter. So you need one extra step to work out the radius before you calculate the area.